Hello friends, today I'm taking you on a breathtaking journey to the beautiful hills of Sikkim with Gangtok as our base. This trip is packed with scenic views, spiritual spots, waterfalls and a whole lot of fun. Our adventure begins at Howrah station where we board the sleek and speedy Vande Bharat Express. The train glides through lush green fields and misty landscapes as we head towards New Jalpaiguri, NJP. The comfort and speed of Vande Bharat make the journey a breeze, and the views from the window are just the beginning of what's to come. From NJP, we hop into a cab and begin our ascent into the Himalayas. The drive to Gangtok is nothing short of magical winding roads, cascading rivers, and dense forests accompany us all the way. After about 5 hours of scenic driving, we reach our destination, Club Mahindra Vintuna, Gangtok. Nestled amidst nature, this resort is a perfect blend of comfort and serenity. We check in, freshen up, and let the mountain air lull us into a peaceful sleep. Tomorrow, the real adventure begins. After a hearty breakfast the next morning, we head out for a day trip to the mesmerizing Changu Lake, located at an altitude of over 12,000 feet. The turquoise waters, surrounded by snow-capped peaks, are absolutely surreal. Next, we visit the revered Baba Mandir, a place steeped in legend and patriotism. On the way, we stop at a roadside stall. Back at the hotel, we unwind with a dip in the swimming pool, soaking in the tranquility of the hills. The following day is packed with sightseeing. We start with the powerful Banjhakri waterfall. Then we explore Gunjan Monastery, a peaceful retreat tucked away in the hills. We also visit the vibrant flower show, take a thrilling rope ride, and end the day at Chortan Monastery, where prayer flags flutter in the wind. Each spot has its own charm, and together they paint a vivid picture of Gangtok's cultural and natural beauty. With hearts full and memory cards packed, we bid farewell to Gangtok the next morning. We retrace our route back to NJP and board the train to Kolkata, already dreaming of our next mountain escape. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.